Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and today I'll be taking you through how to use Carepatron's Emotions Worksheet. This Emotions Worksheet is based on the principle that our emotions, behaviours, and thoughts are all interconnected. By completing this worksheet, your client will identify their emotions and the thoughts and behaviour they engaged in as a result of this feeling. They will then reflect on the outcome of their behaviour and brainstorm alternative thoughts and behaviours for the future if this was not a positive outcome. Due to the broadly applicable nature of this worksheet, there is a wide range of practitioners who can benefit from offering this worksheet to their clients. These include therapists, clinical psychologists, mental health nurses, or child and adolescent psychologists. Let's take a closer look at the Emotions Worksheet, which you can download for free using the link on this page. First, your client should identify the primary emotion they wish to explore and list any secondary emotions they are experiencing. This exercise is to help your client practice naming what they are feeling. Next, your client will describe the situation that made them feel this way and their thoughts, feelings, and behaviours at the time. Lastly, they will reflect on the outcome of their behaviour and if this was a desirable outcome for them. If not, they can then brainstorm some alternative behaviours and likely outcomes in the space provided. To illustrate how this worksheet can help your clients improve their emotional awareness and behavioural responses, we have created an example emotions worksheet. Feel free to pause the screen to read this example in more detail. You can also find this emotions worksheet and many other resources right from within Carepatron. Just head to Templates from the menu on the left, then ensure you're filtering by Community Templates to see our full library of resources. You can then filter by keyword, emotions, hover over the result and click Choose Template, then select your client from your client list. And now the Emotions Worksheet template has been loaded into your Draft tab. This can be completed from within this Draft tab, and when it's finished, just click Publish.